There's something that Paula has said, that during the research, majority of people say we do not report our cases because they don't believe anything will be done. Yet Gathara was kind enough to share his example. He went to court, stayed for 6-7 hours, nothing was done. Or rather, the judge came, did a 2-second ruling, and that was it. Is that a valid excuse for us as common man to say, I do not report bribery cases because I do not believe anything will happen? Yet again, our systems then show again the same thing.
Well, we don't own our power. We don't realize that we're powerful, right? So then that's why we let it be, and then, you know, let it go to other people. We want to ask other people to do what it is that we can do. So again, let's empower ourselves to believe that we can get these people to bow down to us, for lack of a better word, in terms of, listen, you are paid to work. If you don't work, I will fire you. And I'm not going to fire you, as he said, after 5 years. We shall come back, we shall come together, and we shall get you out. So again, it's us owning our own power, and through, of course, oversight and realizing that, of course, we need to demand for accountability and transparency. So that's why I think that we need to get to that point where it's not a favor you're doing me.
It's your job
to work. Yeah. So work.